There is one temple here near to the beach. This is inside the temple. Look at the view from inside of this temple. See all these pictures. This is the story of Ramayana. If you could see this picture, this is the Ram Setu building. You know, when Lord Ram, when Sita was being abducted by Ravan, so to save Sita Mata, this is how, they built a bridge on sea. So that's the picture, it's on the display. Kanda. Walking towards the beach area, not the Danushkodi, but beach area at the Rameswaram, and the streets is less of people and there are no auto rickshaws. Why? Because they are not allowed here. So it feels good while walking. नाइट हो चुका है और ये है यहाँ का जो बीच एरिया और ये है शिवलिंग. So morning time breakfast which is complimentary from this hotel. So breakfast करते हैं और उसके बाद धनुषकोडी जाते हैं, उधर देखते हैं. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन है जो धनुषकोडी ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. धनुषकोडी ओपन होता है मॉर्निंग 6 से इवनिंग 5. इवनिंग 5 के बाद उधर पुलिस रोड ब्लॉक है, उधर आपको जाने नहीं देगी, एंटर नहीं करने देगी. सो मेक श्योर इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग और आपको धनुषकोडी जाना है तो सुबह 6 बजे से शाम के 5 बजे के बीच में ही आप आ जा सकते हो. आ चुका है अपना एंड आई शो यू कि ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या क्या इंक्लूडेड है. सो दिस इज़ दी complimentary breakfast which is being offered by this hotel. We have one dosa, masala dosa, small.
Vada.
One vada.
3
idlis.
Chutney, 2 variety.
Red chutney.
Sweet.
There's a sweet.
This is with semia. They make
Kind of a salad?
no pulao kind of thing.
Okay, and that is
Sambar.
Same with me also. So let's try. वो बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. So let's try out. तो भाई आज की दिन की शुरुआत अपने अनिल भाई से हुई है, वो जो पीछे भाग रहे होंगे. ये अपने अनिल भाई साहब जिन्होंने सुबह सुबह का नाश्ता बहुत ही बढ़िया नाश्ता करवाया हमें. और ये अपने भाई हैं बिहार से, यहाँ पे पिछले 2 साल से सेटल है. तो इनको मेरी तरफ से एक थैंक यू है. सुबह का नाश्ता इतना अच्छा, पेट पूजा अच्छा नाश्ता करवा दिया इन्होंने हमारा. तो थैंक यू अनिल भाई.
Yeah, we are on the way to Danushkodi. It is 14 kilometers from here, and there was a check post in the front, so they just asked for a 20 rupees per vehicle.
Environmental fee.
Yeah, environmental fee, and they said please do not throw any kind of waste or plastic bottles outside.
Yeah. So they did not trouble us by asking, you need to throw all these plastics right now.
Yeah, that's what they did in Ooty.
Yeah, in Ooty
They made us throw everything
the
out.
Water bottles.
Yes, right. And they allowed only to keep that 50-20 liter can.
20 liter can. Even though that was also a plastic.
And even that 1 liter, 2 liter bottle full of water also we had to throw, right?
Yeah. So that is nice. Very professionally, he requested not to
Throw anything outside.
That's very nice. As a citizen, we also have a responsibility, to keep our surroundings clean, not to throw the waste outside. So the music which you are listening on FM, the FM which is 97.4 FM, this is the Sri Lankan FM, which you can, clearly listen here sitting in India, Danushkodi. 6 kilometers, 6.8. Welcome to Danushkodi. There is some church on right hand side. Oh, okay, that's the church.
I think we can go forward.
Yeah. Let me try to go as far as
The maximum
yeah.
tip.
Lighthouse.
I think these are the places where people live,
Yeah.
and they have shops here for their living.
Finally we arrived in Danushkodi, and reasonable crowd is there. Since it's a weekday morning, around 9:30, you can see both sides seas. So this is Danushkodi, और अपन लोग पहुंच गए हैं बिल्कुल एंड में. Welcome to Danushkodi.
We are at the extreme tip.
And you could see this side beach and that side also beach. And then there is a land in between. Two beaches, two different sea, right?
Yeah.
Which one were
Bay
there?
of Bengal and Indian Ocean.
So this is Bay of Bengal and the other one is
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean. This one is Indian Ocean. Shoes उतार देते हैं, shoes चप्पल उधर. ഇതൊന്നും കിട്ടുന്നില്ലേ? ഇന്നൊക്കെ വരും വരും. ഏട്ടാ ഇനി വരുത്തതേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇനി പോസ്റ്റിൽ വരണം എന്നാ വരുന്നു. जमीन नीचे धस रही है, मिट्टी नीचे से धस रही है. इवन दो अच्छी खासी धूप हो रही है, बट गर्मी you don't feel like hot, right? Okay. Because there is a good amount of breeze is there. You need to take like this. അങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കി വെള്ളം അങ്ങോട്ടാക്ക്. വെള്ളം വരും. ഇത് അടുത്ത ചാ വരുന്നത്. ഓള് എന്താ കാണിക്കുന്നത്? വാ മതി. വെള്ളം പോണേ. all from us, from Danushkodi. Now we will be moving ahead towards Kerala, and then we will plan for another trip. Till then, stay tuned. Hope this episode you guys would have enjoyed watching this. Danushkodi, Rameswaram, and this Danushkodi Beach. This is one of the beautiful beaches located in India. So nothing else, Amlu. So say goodbye. Thank you very much for those who are supporting us, and do like, share and comment. Have a nice day.